this is? Jesus! What the heck is wrong with you?
You guys are ridiculous.
You're ridiculous.
It's a little tiny bug.
Shut up.
You're 12 years old.
Yeah, it's like Animal Planet.
No, I won't do it at all. Bye.
Get down. Get over here.
Why? Why
Because-
can't you guys do it?
Because you were asked to.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do. Catch it.
Stop.
Belly get it.